29, 30. Whoo, y'all. Socks I have on right here, they slippery. Hello, my chat partners. I hope y'all guys are doing well. So we're getting ready to do a little workout. It's going to be some floor exercises. It's not going to be any jumping. Just probably work out for maybe about 10, 20 minutes or so. I'm just going to do different workouts. Just whatever come in my mind, I'm just going to do workout for about 30 seconds and then take a break in between each body movement. I feel that we should move our bodies sometime throughout the day. So it's morning time, and that's why I'm looking so rough. And I just threw anything on, because I was like, I just need to get this workout in. So it's in the morning early. So I'm just going to go on and get it done and get it out the way. So yeah, guys, I hope you all follow along. Comment below and let me know, do you work out in the morning, the afternoon, or at night? It varies for me. It's just, I try to work out at least 4 to 5 times a week if possible. I need to try to work out every day, sometimes twice. I change it up some, excuse my cat. But I have a lot of things I have to do today. And I just want to go ahead on and get my workout done and get it over with. So yeah, guys, join along. I hope you guys join along. And if you did join along with this workout with me, comment below and let me know. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a plank. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Whoo, y'all. This plank was rough for those 30 seconds. And plus, I don't have the right attire on. Like I said, I just threw anything on to work out. Y'all, whew. As you guys can hear me count, you heard how that sounded, right? Didn't sound all that great. But it's okay. So I've done that for 30 seconds. Now, I'm going to do some mountain climbers. Guys, it's kind of hard because these socks I have on right here, they slippery. So let's do some mountain climbers. I hope you guys can see me. I don't know if I need to get you guys up before, but let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, guys, I ended up putting a sports bra on. I think that's going to help me out a lot. 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, woo, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a little awkward, but that's okay. Lift the leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, y'all ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y'all, that was a little rough. And the thing about it, what I'm going to do is each set 3 more times for 30 seconds. So there'll be 4 sets of the planks, mountain climbers, the leg lifts, side kicks, side leg lifts, all that. Guys, just try to do some type of workout each and every day, even if it's 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20, 25, whatever the case may be. Even if you pick 2 exercises that you're comfortable doing and just do them in like 4 sets. So what you can do, instead of doing them for 30 seconds, you can do them for a minute. It's however you want to do it. Let's just make sure we get up, do some type of exercise, you know, a few days out the week, whenever we can. It's 24 hours in a day. So there's no reason why we shouldn't be exercising, just doing something to get the body moving, taking better care of ourselves. So yeah, guys, so I'm going to get back to it, finish these reps out, and get myself together for the day. There go my cat, and there go my dog. Ew. Like you. What ad? Hey guys, I just wanted to come on and say hey to you all. Get ready to eat me a little snack. I know it seemed like it's a lot, but it's okay. Because whenever you're on a weight loss journey or just changing your lifestyle, it's nothing wrong with treating yourself every once in a while. That's what I'm doing. These little chips are good. It's a sweet Southern Heat barbecue. They're good. We look beautiful on camera. Y'all see?
Bigger than how we...
My hair.
Oh, yeah.
I actually twisted it and I put some water on it, twisted it, and rolled it up. It was rolled up for like 3 days with some flexi rods. And I'm probably just gonna take it to loose a little bit later. I had to run an errand earlier and came home and cooked breakfast. And so now I'm eating a little snack and I just wanted to come on and say hey to you guys. So yeah, this is what my hair looking like. It don't look too bad. I'm still cute, right?
Yeah, it's different. It fits you though.
Thank you. Wanna try some? Yeah, it's a chip. She's talking about a chip. I don't care for spicy stuff, but this isn't too spicy. This is good, like the spicy sweet chili Doritos or something like that.
What's the name of
it? It tastes good. These are the sweet Southern Heat barbecue. They're good, right?
Yeah.
Got a little heat to them. I'm gonna grab me 2 bottles of water.
Yeah, they just taste like sweet barbecue chips with a little bit of heat.
Yeah, that's it. Perfect description of the name of the chips, you know. I hope you guys are doing well. If you are new to my channel, my name is Dionne. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, joining and becoming a chat partner. That's my daughter, Miracle.
Oh, yeah. Nice to meet you.
And this is a what I eat in a day video, so I'm gonna be real and honest with you guys. I didn't want to like eat some chips and I show you guys I'm actually eating some chips. I'm not gonna, because I'm not perfect, you know.
Yeah, yeah. I know those people that just like they eat 3 times a day. They be eating snacks in between. They just don't show them.
You know what else too? I do it too. But let me tell y'all this. Sometimes what I eat in a day video, they're not always recorded the same day. Sometimes they're recorded throughout days.
We used to put what I eat in a day, the 12th through the 13th.
Right. Some people do that, because I know I saw somebody video one time. They had cooked some breakfast. I think they cooked sausage, but when they ate their plate, it was like bacon. And somebody comments like, "Oh, I thought you cooked the sausage." And they was like, "Yeah, I did, but I didn't film it all the same day." I think it was a morning routine video or something like that. So guys, this is real life. This is true, authentic me.
So don't believe everything you see on the internet.
Right. Right. Yeah. We're going to do a review video later on too.
Of a movie that we're watching. Hopefully it's not too confusing. I personally like movies where you gotta head to YouTube afterwards for an explanation. I like for it to be straightforward.
Yeah, Miracle was telling me, she was like, "Don't figure it out." No, what you saying? She said, "If you figure it out, don't tell me."
Yeah, you do that though. It takes me a minute to try to figure out this, because there's so much going on, and then it's like trying to watch and then think.
Because I figure a movie I want to move.
Yeah.
At the beginning, I'm like, "Oh, okay, I already know what's going on."
Did you see Us yet? You should watch that and give it a review.
I started watching Us.
You couldn't get into
the other day. It wasn't I couldn't get into it. I was doing other things watching it. I got a real pair coming from.
I've already seen it. I had went to the theater and I saw it.
So I was mindful when I ran my errands because I knew I wanted some snacks. So I did get a bag of chips. Let me show you what else I got.
I did bad, y'all. I got some zebra cakes. I haven't had those in years though.
And I got the sugar-free, made with stevia extract, pecan delights. These are good. I want you to try one.
Why you say it twice?
Because I be over talking myself sometimes. You know, you gotta repeat. I want you to try it. It's good. Can you eat caramel and pecans?
Yeah.
I always ask folks before you share some if they can eat it.
Let's split it.
Okay.
We split it. Go ahead. Perfect. Half now, we only getting like 100 calories.
Right. And they are only 140 calories. So I'm eating 70 calories and Miracle is eating the other 70. Good, right?
That's that real. I like the real dark chocolate taste because some dark chocolate don't be tasting good.
I just hope with this being I'm eating caramel and something that's a little spicy, barbecue based, that I don't get heartburn. Because sometimes I eat caramel and eat something else, I get heartburn. Chest be toe up. So, all right, guys. So I'm gonna get back to doing what I'm doing. Take my 2 bottles of water. Who you gonna move?
Exit. I already got 2 of them.
See, guys, we drink water over here in this house. Ain't that right, Miracle? Drink your water, guys. What you mean ain't nothing else to drink? All right, I'll talk to y'all later. I'm being rude, talk with my mouth full. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, tonight's dinner, I'm going to cook some chicken breast tenderloins, and I'm going to cut up an onion with some peppers, some frozen asparagus, some rice, and some quinoa. And I'm going to mix the rice and quinoa together. I'm going to have more quinoa than rice, and I will make sure I rinse off my rice and quinoa before I put it in the rice cooker. And there's the garlic quinoa. dinner is served asparagus, rice and quinoa with chicken, peppers, and onions. And I did end up adding some sauce to it as well. Nice healthy dinner, high protein, fiber with vegetables.